On the way to Seattle, we always passed the windmills, and I thought those were always so cool. I didn't want to read like books to learn, and I wanted to do something hands-on and something that I can work on in front of me.
As an energy and power student at NEWTech, you'll gain hands-on experience taught by a former industry professional. Learn how to install switches, receptacles, lights, motors, and more. You'll also learn the basics of wiring for residential and commercial structures, from installing to troubleshooting to repairing.
I love doing lab days because that's where you learn everything. We learned how to do a three-way switch, and Mr. Johnson, he says that if you can do a three-way switch, then you can do anything, and I think that was really encouraging.
You'll also gain experience in a variety of lucrative electrical utility craft trades, such as lineman and cableman.
It's really a great experience, and just meeting people who have the same passion as you, it's really nice that people are serious on what they want to learn and they don't kid around.
In NEWTech's one-year Energy and Power program, students will have an opportunity to earn their OSHA 10 card, the Energy Industry Fundamentals Certificate, and the IBEW Interim Credential Certificate. Students who obtain their IBEW Interim Credential Certificate are eligible to receive credit for completing their first year of the Electrical Apprenticeship program while they're in high school, and can advance to the second year of apprenticeship training after they graduate.
Even just right out of high school, you can be an apprentice, and then after that you can take the next step and become really anything.
Visit us at SpokaneSchools.org/NEWTech to apply for a spot in the Energy and Power program.